Photoshop is not only for finishing images. It is a place to think visually. Duplicate layers, exaggerate adjustments, then pull them back. Push ideas too far on purpose to discover limits. This experimentation clarifies intent and removes fear from decision-making. Nothing is permanent, so curiosity replaces hesitation. Over time, this process builds intuition. You stop guessing and start knowing. Editing becomes faster and more confident because you understand why choices work. Redistribute it by lowering intensity in heavy zones and reinforcing lighter areas elsewhere. The goal is balance, not symmetry. When weight feels evenly distributed, the image becomes calm and readable. Stability invites trust and allows viewers to engage longer.